is your boy King Siesta FX. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. On today's video, guys, I will teach you how to use MetaTrader 5. I came across people who say MetaTrader 5 is a bit complicated. No, guys, MetaTrader 5, this is the most simplest platform ever. I will teach you how to use it. I will click to it and I will explain everything in details. Without wasting any time, let me get to it. Click MetaTrader 5. I will explain everything, good people, to you. I will click there at the top where it says codes. And I will also click again in the middle where you see that 500. I will click there twice. Guys, bear with me. Whenever you want to access your login details to MetaTrader 5, this is what you should do. Another thing, guys, let me explain this. Some people, they will download MetaTrader 5 into Play Store. After having MetaTrader 5, they think they've already signed up with any broker to trade Forex. No, guys, these are two different things. Downloading MetaTrader 5, it's whereby you are able to trade using that platform, which is MetaTrader 5. To sign up with the broker, please, guys, listen to me very well. To sign up with the broker, there's a lot of brokers outside here. For example, I am using XM. A broker, it's a company whereby they give you access to trade Forex. Immediately after signing up with any broker, they will give you your login details. After having your login details, that's where you will access your login details to MetaTrader 4 or 5. It will depend during the process while you were creating an account, which platform did you selected. If you have selected MetaTrader 5, you will go to Play Store and download MetaTrader 5. After downloading MetaTrader 5, that's where you will come to this app. There at the top, guys, where you see that plus, you will click that plus to access your login details. After creating an account with any broker, you will receive your login details to your email address. From there, you will have your trading account number and your password. After having those login details, you will come to MetaTrader 5 to access your login details. What you will do, guys, you will click that plus at the top. Let me click to it. As I've said, guys, I am using XM as a broker. A broker, it's a particular company that gives you access to trade Forex. They are able to handle your funds so that you can trade Forex, so that you can do withdrawals. As I've said, guys, that I'm using XM. You can see there it's written XM Global Limited. Always, guys, make sure. Let's say you've registered your account with XM. You will come here where it says find a broker. As much as you can see right now, it says XM Global Limited. You will click there in the middle. After clicking, guys, where it says login, you will type your trading account number. Password, you will type the password you have created during the process of your registration. Next moment, guys, where it says server. After creating an account with a broker, they will give you your login details to your email address. Your server will be written to your email address. Let me click where it says server. Let me click this small down arrow. As you can see, guys, there's two servers here. The first server, it's written XM. The first server, it's written XM Global /MT54. The second one is written XM Global /MT52. If your server is the one with 4, you will click that server. Okay, let me click to it so that you'll understand what I'm talking about. As you can see, guys, where it says server, my server ends with 4. After typing your trading account number where it says login, you will type your password that you have created during the process of your registration. Once you are done, guys, to choose the correct server, you will press login at the bottom. It's highlighted with a yellow color. You are done, guys. You are done. You are done. Once you are done, you will come at the bottom where it says code. Let me click to it. As you can see, guys, I've already added the trading instrument here. What I will do, I will delete all these trading instrument and show you how to add these trading instrument. Let me delete them. I will click this pencil at the top. Let me click to it. As you can see, there's a plus and there's a bin. I will click this bin and I will tick everything. I will tick everything. Let me tick everything. It seems like I'm having network problem, guys. It seems like I'm having network problems. Okay, I'm having network problems. I will click that arrow there at the top. Back. Let me say back again. Hence I've said, guys, I've already added mine. Let me show you how to add this trading instrument. As you can see where you see that plus at the top, you will click that plus. Let me click to it. Take a look at this, guys. There's a lot of folders. And it will all depend with you which instrument are you trading. For example, I am trading Forex /standard/majors. I am trading currencies. For you to add currencies, you will come to this folder that's written Forex /standard/majors. Let me click to it. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of trading instrument. After seeing all these trading instruments, all you need to do is to tap. Let me tap one trading instrument. Tap. By just touching, guys, on the other side, you've already added that trading instrument. Let me say back there at the top where it says add symbol. Let me press this arrow. Back. As you can see, guys, I've already added 2 more trading instrument. It's easy, guys. I've already added this trading instrument. There at the bottom where it says chat, you will click there if you want to see the chat, whether the market is going up or down. Where it says trade, that's where you will see your balance and the current trades you are running. Where it says history, after trading, that's where you will see your profits. Done, guys. Done, guys. Good people, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share the video, don't forget to press the sub button, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that if I drop a new video, you will get a notification from your cell phone. Thank you guys. This is your boy, this is Mr. FX.